We covered 4 discrete topics in this module, so we have a checklist for each one. First, interfaces. We use interfaces to specify custom types, such as product in our sample application. Interfaces are a great way to promote strong typing in our applications. When creating an interface, use the interface keyword. In the body of the interface, define the appropriate properties and methods along with their types. And don't forget to export the interface so it can be used anywhere in our application. We implement an interface, including built-in Angular interfaces, to ensure that our class defines every property and method identified in that interface. Add the implement's keyword and the interface name to the class signature. Then be sure to write code for every property and method in the interface. Otherwise, TypeScript displays a syntax error. We can encapsulate the styles for our component in the component itself. That way, the styles required for the component are associated with the component alone and don't leak into any other parts of the application. Use the styles property of the component decorator to specify the template styles as an array of strings. Use the style URLs property of the component decorator to identify an array of external stylesheet paths. The specified styles are then encapsulated in the component. Lifecycle hooks allow us to tap into a component's lifecycle to perform operations. The steps for using a lifecycle hook are: import the lifecycle hook interface. Implement the lifecycle hook interface in the component class. This step is not required but highly recommended. Then write the code for the hook method defined in the lifecycle hook interface. To build a custom pipe, import pipe and pipe transform. Create a class that implements the pipe transform interface. This interface has one method, transform. Be sure to export the class so the pipe can be imported from other components. Write code in the transform method to perform the needed transformation, and decorate the class with the pipe decorator. We can use a custom pipe in any template anywhere we can specify a pipe. Immediately after the property to transform, type a pipe character, specify the pipe name, and enter the pipe arguments, if any, separated by colons. In the templates component, import the pipe. In the metadata, add the pipe's property and provide an array defining the custom pipes used in the template. This module provided a set of techniques for improving our components. We walked through how to use an interface to strongly type our custom objects. We saw how to encapsulate styles within a component. We were introduced to the component lifecycle and how to tap into that lifecycle with lifecycle hooks. And we discovered how to build a custom pipe that we can use in any component template. So in this module, we've completed the product list component. Yay! Next up, we'll see how to build nested components and build this star component.